Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best dog steps is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for pet owners whose furry friends struggle with mobility, whether due to age, injury, or breed predisposition, ensuring they can still access their favorite spots like the couch or bed without strain or discomfort, making it a crucial investment for their well-being and independence. Number 5. PetSafe CozyUp Folding Dog Stairs. Help your furry friend reach their favorite spots with ease. These portable stairs allow them to climb onto beds, couches, or into cars independently. Designed with safety in mind, these steps feature non-slip feet and secure tread covers. They are built to be durable and prevent any sliding. When not in use, these stairs fold down flat for convenient and compact storage. They are lightweight and easy to take with you anywhere. These sturdy stairs can support pets of all sizes, up to 200 pounds. They are perfect for small, medium, and large dogs. For years, we've been dedicated to creating products that ensure your pet's happiness, health, and safety. We offer a wide range of solutions for your beloved companions. What we like. If you need a versatile solution for both indoor and outdoor use, this is a great option. It folds flat for easy storage and transport, making it ideal for travel or small spaces. If you have a large dog up to 200 pounds, this sturdy yet lightweight set of stairs will provide them with independent access to furniture or vehicles. What people say. The steps are very sturdy and well-made, perfect for my large dog. My dog, who is 80 pounds, can easily climb these steps to get on the bed. The non-slip surface provides excellent traction, preventing my dog from sliding. Number 4. Best Pet Supplies 4-Step Dog Stairs. Are you tired of lifting your furry friend onto high furniture? These steps provide easy access to couches and beds, making it comfortable for them to get up and down. Crafted with CertiPURUS certified foam, these steps are safe for your pets. They are free from harmful chemicals, ensuring peace of mind for you. Reduce the strain on your back and your pet's joints. These steps allow your pet to independently navigate furniture, making life easier for both of you. Available in 3, 4, and 5-step options, these stairs are designed to assist pets of all sizes. They help improve mobility for small dogs and cats. Choose from a variety of trendy colors and patterns to match your home decor. The removable covers make cleaning and maintaining their stylish look a breeze. What we like. If you prioritize comfort and style for your smaller pets, consider these foam steps. They are made with high-quality, pet-safe foam and come in trendy colors to match your decor. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, no assembly-required solution that minimizes strain on your pet's joints, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. Very sturdy, lightweight and easy to move, machine-washable covers, soft foam that doesn't hurt if you accidentally run into it during the night, works for large cats. My boy was 16 pounds when I bought these. He's down to 10.6 pounds now, extremely good durability, used daily for more than 2 years. The exterior material is closer to the tear-resistant material I look for when dealing with items that will get a lot of use and exposure to claws, nails and lots of washing. The other brands were dirt magnets, whereas these allow me to just wipe dirt and mud off easily. Sturdy yet lightweight, the stairs are solid enough to support my dog's weight without wobbling, but still light enough to move from room to room easily. Soft, washable cover, the fabric is soft and gentle on my pup's paws, and the removable cover makes it easy to clean when needed. Perfect height, these stairs are just the right height for my sofa and bed. Attractive design, they look great in my living room, not bulky or out of place like some other pet stairs I've seen. Number 3. PETMAKER 4-Step Pet Stairs, Gray. Help your beloved pets reach their favorite high spots with ease. These steps are designed for dogs and cats of all ages and sizes. Each step is covered with soft carpeted pads, ensuring a comfortable and non-slip surface for your pet's paws. This provides a secure way for them to climb. Perfect for beds, couches, and even cars. Its lightweight and foldable design makes it easy to take anywhere your pet needs it. Constructed from tough, heavy-duty plastic, these stairs are built to last. They are ideal for both indoor and outdoor use and easy to clean. Specially made for puppies, kittens, small dogs, and senior pets. It supports their mobility needs without strain. When not in use, it folds down compactly. This makes storage simple, fitting easily behind a seat or in a trunk. What we like. If you need a reliable and durable option for smaller pets or those with mobility issues, these steps are a good fit. The carpeted pads offer excellent traction, and the foldable design makes them convenient for use in cars or at home. If you like the idea of a sturdy, easy-to-clean solution that helps your pet reach their favorite spots, this is worth considering. What people say. The stairs are lightweight and very sturdy, and the non-slip surface gives my dog the confidence to use them without hesitation. Stairs come assembled. The foot stand just pops into place. They also collapse where we can stick them under the bed when needed. They're sturdy and reliable, have slip-resistant pads on all the steps, and is big and comfortable for her to use going up and down, and even turn around on. Number 2. Best Pet Supplies Non-Slip Foam Dog Stair and Pet Ramp, 4-step. We prioritize your pet's safety. Our foams are CertiPURUS certified, ensuring they are free from harmful chemicals and substances. Help reduce stress on your pet's joints, especially for older pets. These steps provide gentle support for easy climbing. Choose the perfect size for your furry friend. Available in 2, 3, and 4-step options to suit various furniture heights. Designed to complement your home decor. Available in a variety of colors and patterns to match your personal style. When not in use, simply unzip and collapse them. They easily store under beds or in closets, saving you valuable space. What we like. If you're looking for a safe and comfortable foam option that also complements your home's aesthetic, this is a strong contender. It's made with CertiPURUS certified foam and comes in various colors and patterns. If you need multiple step height options for different pieces of furniture and appreciate easy storage solutions, this product is designed for you. What people say. The fabric is durable and still looks the same as the day I got it, even with multiple cats running up and down them daily. The foam is soft, so it is very comfortable for a cat, or dog, to walk on, but also nice and firm, so it looks like they will hold up well for a long time. The steps are deep enough for an animal to walk on easily. The steps are deep enough on these stairs for pets to walk comfortably. The removable, washable cover is a huge plus. Number 1. PetSafe CozyUp Bed Ramp. Give your furry friend a safe and comfortable way to reach the bed. This ramp helps reduce stress on their joints and back, making bedtime easier for them. Crafted from durable, furniture-grade wood, this ramp is built to last. The high-traction carpet surface ensures your pet has secure footing every time they use it. This indoor ramp provides a gentle incline for easy climbing. It reliably supports pets up to 120 pounds, promoting confident movement and peaceful nights. From a brand with U.S. roots and a global reach, we offer vet and trainer-recommended solutions. Our goal is to create joyful experiences for pets and their families. For over 25 years, we've been dedicated to creating safe and innovative products. We enhance pet lives and support the special bond you share with your beloved companions. What we like. If you have a larger pet that needs reliable and sturdy access to your bed, this ramp is an excellent choice. Its furniture-grade wood construction and high-traction carpet surface ensure stability and safety. If you are looking for a low-impact, gentle incline solution that supports your pet's joints and blends seamlessly with your home decor, this ramp is ideal. What people say. Super well made, and super solid and sturdy. It is steady whether placed on carpet or hard floors. All the pieces were included and the ramp is very sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.